Hello friends, welcome and good morning to all of you in our advanced spoken English classes Bhilai 3. Thank you very much for giving us this golden opportunity.
First of all, I would like to introduce ourselves. I am Chaya Chandrakar, she is Srishti Chandrakar, and she is Nikita, and he is Deepak Mehta. Our topic is for strangers traveling by train.
So without wasting any time, let's start. Excuse me, ma'am. Where is the seat number 25 and 26?
This is 25 and 26. Sorry. By the way, I am Chaya Chandrakar. Hello. I am Srishti Chandrakar.
My name is Deepak Mehta.
And I'm Nikita.
Okay. So where are you guys going?
We are going to Delhi.
Oh, that's great. We are also going to Delhi. So why are you going to Delhi?
We are going to visiting.
Okay.
And you?
We are going for on tour.
Oh, that's great.
Are you going? Both are going?
Yeah.
Yes, we are siblings.
Oh, that's great. We are friends and we are going to.
Why are you going to Delhi?
We are going for tour. Studies.
Okay. That's good.
If you don't mind, you tell me about your studies.
Yeah, I am doing MBA right now, and I have done MBA.
That's good.
And your studies?
I am master degree.
Okay, and your?
I'm doing my college in Black.
Okay. So, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Oh, and you?
I am private. I do my private job.
Oh, that's great. So, we are also students. If you don't mind, please tell me about your family.
Of course, our is a large joint family.
Okay.
There are 6 members in our family. My father, my mother, my younger sister, and me.
Oh, that's great.
And yours?
Our is a small joint family. There are 4 members in my family. My father, my brother, and my brother and me. And mine is also a small joint family. There are 4 members. My father, mother, my brother, and me. But I am living with my friend from 4 years.
That's good. What is your aim in life?
I want to become an accountant.
Yeah, that's good.
Look, T-Man is coming. Will you take tea?
Yes, why not?
Oh, this is your tea.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think today train is running very slow. And what's your thinking?
Yes, you are right.
Because of
weather-
weather.
weather.
Okay.
I think we reached Nagpur station.
Oh, it is right. It is.
Yeah. Actually, we are going to platform. Do you want any?
No, no, no.
Okay.
It's okay. So that's all about our tour today. Thank you very much.
Rush no, never gonna rush no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.